What's supply chain and what's value chain? Supply chain starts with material planning, then material procurement, then it's going to the warehouse, and from the warehouse to the production. Then the product is being distributed to the customer, and any repairs and returns are being taken care of to satisfy the customer. So it's from material planning to customer satisfaction. Porter's value chain is a model to analyze the supply chain. In that, Porter identifies primary activities and support activities in the supply chain. So there are 5 components of primary activities. Inbound logistics, that is something like material procurement, operations such as production, then outbound logistics such as distribution, then marketing and sales, and then service such as repairs and returns. The chain is supported by support activities such as procurement, technology development, firm infrastructure, and human resource management. So efficient management and deployment of supply chain is to ensure increasing profits. So there's difference between supply chain and value chain. Supply chain interconnects all the functions starting from manufacturing of raw material to finished products and it reaching the final customer and satisfying the customer. Value chain, on the other hand, is a set of activities that focuses on creating or adding value to the product. Both networks help to provide quality products to the customer at a reasonable price. Most of the time, supply chain is connected with the value chain. So when we compare and contrast the supply chain with the value chain, supply chain integrates activities from production to sale. Value chain is about adding value to the product. Attention on the supply chain is at the operational level. Attention of value chain is at the strategic level. The concept behind the supply chain is conveying the product to the customer, and on the value chain is adding value to the product. The sequence on the supply chain is from the raw material products to the requested sale and satisfying the customer. So it's a forward chain, whereas the value chain is about inquiring into the customer requests and then going back to the product to meet those customer needs. So it's a backward chain. Outcome on the supply chain is customer satisfaction, and on the value chain is about gaining competitive advantage. For example, value chain is finding out about how to add value to the customer in different ways. A very generic type of example for that is someone going and buying a brand new pair of shoes, and the salesperson would then also offer a shoe cream along with the brand new uh, pair of shoes. Whereas by doing that, it is increasing the value to the enterprise through selling two items, two products, and also increasing the value proposition to the customer, so that the customer gets enhanced satisfaction and meeting customers' demand. This brings us to the end of the video, and thanks for watching.